Malaki nga itong property ng Movenpick. Majority ng property nila ay outdoors, kaya medyo confusing siya. Hey guys, welcome back to our vlog. We have just arrived here at Movenpick Resort here in Boracay. So this will be our third and last hotel dito sa Boracay. Magche-check-in lang kami and I'll get back to you. So very Christmas na yung vibes dito. As you can see, yan, may Christmas tree na, tapos Santa Claus Lane. And ayan meron pa mga, ano ba tawag yan, teddy bear. Tsaka may mga Christmas socks. Yeah. Merry Christmas! Nakapag-check-in na kami dito sa Movenpick Boracay, and ito, may pa-welcome drinks. We'll now go to our room, pero siguro rest lang kami saglit dito. And ubusin ko lang itong welcome drinks. Lemonade. So ito guys, nakapag-check-in na kami and papunta na kami ngayon sa room. Naubos na rin namin yung welcome drinks. Nandito na kami ngayon sa room. Diretso na tayo ulit sa room tour. So tara. So pasok tayo. This is our room. Welcome to our room here in Movenpick. So pagpasok dito, ang nasa left side ay yung closet kagad. So silipin na natin kagad ang closet. So we have here hangers, a laundry bag. This is the safe. And what else do we have here? Walang laman. Tapos meron ding isang umbrella dun. So that's the closet. So CR tayo. The toilet. Ito ang sink area, mga toiletries, lotion, pan-request daw ang comb, bathrobes, sleepers, ano to, dental kit. Ayan, meron. Hand towel. Here, nandito ang shower. Dalawang towel, tapos may shampoo, tsaka conditioner, tsaka shower gel dispenser. We also have here full-length mirror. This is our bed. This is very big. And mukhang malambot yung mga pillow. Wow. Meron dito phone for your needs. Tawag lang kayo. And then may mga lantern or ano ba tawag dyan? Ilaw? Basta ilaw. Ito ang aking mag-inang maingay. TV. May patubig sila dito. Coffee making facility. Ayun. This is their boiler, tsaka mga kape, tsaka tsaa. May dalawa ring tasa. Nandito yung fridge. May laman kaya? Walang laman. And then ito nakakatuwa kasi meron silang pa-cake din. So this is happy anniversary daw because we are celebrating our wedding anniversary here sa Movenpick. Uy, Kanlaon, wait! No! You say happy anniversary kay nanay tsaka kay tatay. Dali!
Look!
What's that? That's chocolate. So, ayan, mukhang uupakan na ni Kanlaon. Mauuna na siya sa chocolate. What else do we have here? Dito may chair and stool. Meron din dito mga sockets and mga switch na mga light. Tapos, last part, ang balcony. So, punta tayo sa balcony. Let's go. So, eto, nandito na tayo ngayon sa balcony. Meron chair. Tsaka may hanging rack din doon. This is our view from the balcony. It's the garden. Kabanda doon yung pool. So let's eat the welcome treats. Chocolate. Fairness, masarap. By the way guys, yung check-in process dito sa Movenpick very smooth naman. Although medyo malaki yung property, medyo malayo yung lakad between buildings. And nandito kami sa pinakadulong side kaya medyo malayo yung nilakad namin. But anyway, it is still promising. I'm excited to experience Movenpick Boracay. So yung design ng headboard, very dagat yung design. May mga coral tsaka shells. Masarap yung chocolate na welcome chocolate treats. Tapos meron ding pa welcome drinks. And on top of that, meron pa kaming additional na welcome drinks dahil sa Accor membership. So, mamaya pupuntahan namin yun doon sa Sol Marina Beach Club. So guys, ito, it's 3:11 p.m. and papunta kami ngayon sa chocolate hour. So, itong chocolate hour is 3 o'clock hanggang 4 o'clock ng hapon. And unlimited chocolate treats siya for all the guests ng Movenpick Boracay. So, tara, check natin yun. Kanloon, do you want chocolates? Oh, let's get more chocolates, okay? So yun guys, mali kami. Hindi pala dito sa marketplace yung chocolate hour. Nandun pala sa cafe malapit sa main lobby. So, punta tayo dun. Malaki nga itong property ng Movenpick. Majority ng property nila ay outdoors kaya medyo confusing siya. This is fun. So during the chocolate hour, lumalabas din tong mascot ng Movenpick. So it's a fish, I think, kasi may buntot tsaka may fins. Ayan siya. Gusto kong ilapit si Kanlaon kaya lang natatakot siya. Ayun, nagtago na lang siya dito sa chair. So anyway, this is our chocolate treats. And let's eat them now. Tapos na kami mag-chocolate hour. And it's 3:40 now. Nagpa-reserve na kami dun sa shuttle kasi yung free shuttle service ng Movenpick, unahan na lang, first come first serve dito sa lobby sa baba ng Movenpick. So, nagpalista na ako para sure na may slot na tayo later. Anyway, balik muna kami sa room, then we will go back to D-Mall in a short while. So ito guys, we just arrived again here sa D-Mall Jollibee. Ayan. So galing kami sa Movenpick and sumakay lang kami dun sa free shuttle nila.
One eternity later.
So ngayon guys, nandito na kami ulit ngayon sa Jollibee, dito sa main road, and ito na yung shuttle ng Movenpick pabalik sa hotel. So we'll ride this na, otherwise mamamasahe tayo pabalik sa Movenpick. May kamahalan dahil medyo malayo yung hotel. So yeah, let's hop in to this shuttle ng Movenpick.
The next morning.
So good morning guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Movenpick Resort. Dito yan sa Boracay Station 0. And yan, napakalaki nitong property nito as you can see. Napakadaming puno. And medyo confusing. Pero nalibot ko na yung buong place and medyo familiar na ako kung nasan yung mga locations. Pati yung beach, pati yung pool, pati yung mga restaurants. So just look at this map guys. Ito yung buong property ng Movenpick. And ito, dito kami nagsistay sa building 4. Tapos ito yung mga part ng amenities nila. Meron gym, Little Birds Club. Ito yung parang para sa mga bata. Here's the cafe. And may mga souvenir shops din sila. And then there's a big lagoon in the middle. And then yung pinagmamalaki nilang biggest pool daw here in Boracay. And then yung iba-iba nilang mga restaurants here. The Sam, the Market, Sol Marina Beach Club, the Pool Bar, and the Bresa. So, nandito naman yung mga villas. So, ito yung mga mahal na accommodation dito kasi parang isang buong house yung or villas yung nire-rent. So dahil nga malaki yung property nila, meron sila mga e-trike within their property to go around para sa mga hirap maglakad. So ito guys, we're now here at the market ng Movenpick and we will have our breakfast. I'll show you yung breakfast buffet nila dito. Here at the entrance pa lang, you will see agad the different sorts of bread that they have here at the market. We have different kinds of bread. May Danish bread, cinnamon roll, and may donuts. At the other side, they have the Filipino favorite breads. May Spanish bread, may cheese roll, may mga muffins, and all other kinds of bread. They also have here their salad bar, different kinds of salad ingredients. They also have cold cuts and cheese. So yan, may mga different sorts of ham and cheeses. Meron din dito mga breakfast staple, congee, chicken soup, and miso soup. They also have ube champorado here. They have different kinds of condiments. The bacon is here. Of course, the eggs, scrambled and sunny side up. So more breakfast staples. We have Hungarian sausage, corned beef, and different kinds of sausages as well. They have here also Japanese food, maki and sushi. For the carbs, mayroong potatoes and different kinds of rice. They have egg station also, kung gusto nyo magpagawa ng omelette. Yeah. If you want cereals, they also have it here. Yeah, those are the pancakes and waffles. They also got here chips, tsaka sandwiches, ito mga pika-pika for the kids. Meron din dito mga kakanin. We have maha blanca tsaka kutsinta na color violet. Ube kutsinta raw. And dito rin yung iba't ibang beverage and the fruits. So, meron pomelo, pineapple, melon, watermelon, and mixed of everything. I am liking the food so far. Quality, yung mga food na nandito. Good morning guys! Nandito pa rin tayo ngayon sa Movenpick and papunta kami ngayon sa beach nila. Tapos na kami mag-breakfast and naka-swimming attire na kami. Ayan, swimming attire. Nagsuswimming na rin si Kanlaon. So, punta tayo ngayon sa beach. So, buko dito sa Station 0 Movenpick property. 300 din. Pero look nyo naman, merong design yung buko. So, may effort. Ito yung Punta Bunga Beach, aka Station 0, kung saan nagsha-share Shangri-La over there. That's the Shangri-La Boracay. And then sa other side, nando naman yung Crimson. So ito, dito kami nagsistay sa Movenpick. So guys, ito yung buhangin dito sa Station 0. Mas malalaki yung butil niya compared with yung buhangin na nasa Station 1. Pero pare-pareho naman sila maputi.
Much later.
So guys, we are here again at the beach and we're just hanging out here. Kakalubog lang ng sun. And ayun, si Don nagsuswimming lang. So chill lang tayo dito. Nandito kami ngayon sa Sol Marina Beach Club and kinlaim na namin yung drinks na kasama nung stay namin dito sa Movenpick. So our drinks are now here. So ito, we have white wine. Alam niyo naman na hindi ako umiinom ng alak, pero it's just white wine, so why not? And then we have calamansi juice. So let's drink. Cheers tayo, nanay. Cheers kami to more wedding anniversaries.
Okay, alright.
Is it good? Ito mas tatay. Are you having fun? Kaloon! Kaloon! Ayoko pansinin. So guys, we are having fun sa pool kani-kanina lang, pero ngayon umuulan na. Nandito kami sa The Market ng Movenpick and we'll have our dinner. So to may free bread sila while waiting for our order. Ang in-order namin pala ay kare-kare. You want butter?
No.
It's yummy yan.
Early the next morning.
Nakapag-check-out na rin tayo ngayon and we're now just waiting for our service papuntang airport. Hindi pa pala airport kasi yung service na yun, ihahatid muna tayo sa Cagban Port and then from Cagban Port, sasakay na naman tayo ng bangka papuntang mainland and then another ride going to the airport. Napakaaga ng biyahe. Naantok pa kami. So, ito lang yung hassle sa early morning flight. Napakaaga mo rin kailangan umalis sa hotel. Ito, 3:50 na. 4 a.m. kami susunduin. Dito na yung sundo namin. On point, 4 a.m. talaga dumating yung service. So, bye-bye Movenpick. We shall see you again next time.